What is going on, my YouTube friends? So, out in the garage, wife's got the ladder, painting the shed. So I am waiting to do that top line in the front of the garage. But anyhow, I got this thing cleaned up. Dad come out here and help me, which is a good thing, right? Keeps him away from the wife. So anyhow, let's show you what we got done. A lot of the material I'm keeping in case I have to use cut ends or split ends or whatever. But we're keeping it. We got everything pretty close. Got everything cleaned up. Some of the big pieces I'm going to reuse. Dad's over there contemplating what his next move is. We got the floor and everything all cleaned up. Dad come over and swept. I vacuumed. But a lot of the stuff we thrown away. But some of this bigger stuff I gotta keep. So that way, if I need to use a filler or something, I got it. So yeah, cleaning up. Yeah, buddy. But like I said, the wife's got the ladder, she's painting the shed, so I'm stuck cleaning today. That's all right, because usually I'll get that 12-foot foam coming in pretty soon, and then we'll get to work again. Yeah, buddy. I'm thinking that 12-foot foam ain't gonna take as long. At least I hope not. But hey, we'll find out, won't we? Yeah, buddy. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I tell them you're awesome. I want you to have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. Yeah, buddy. Got tired out.